Samsung is minus 6.30% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 7th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Samsung, a global leader in semiconductors and consumer electronics. Samsung is down 6.3% to 230,500 Korean wons in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 228,000 Korean wons and 246,000 Korean wons. The long-term fundamentals for Samsung revolve around memory chip cycle recovery, foundry competition, and smartphone demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung, Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that our stocks fall as investors eye Middle East talks, earnings, the Business Times. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that our stocks fall as investors eye Middle East talks, earnings, the Business Times. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. SoftBank Group plunged minus 4.41% to 5,695 yen in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SoftBank profits drop 18%, stock falls 4% in Tokyo, Fortune. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for SoftBank Group is around 5,353 yen and 30 sen. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. Nintendo climbed plus 2.87% to 7,641 yen. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nintendo Q1 2026 earnings beat estimates despite Switch 2 sales drop, Yahoo Finance. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the 8,099 yen and 46 sen level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. Goldman Sachs is down minus 2.62%. Trading at $1,032.58. Equity markets are responding to reports that Goldman Sachs stock doubles from Liberation Day lows, Yahoo Finance. Investment banking fee recovery is the core thesis. The M&A and IPO pipeline is the most active since 2021. Trading revenues remain elevated given rate and FX volatility. Any large IB mandate announcement would be a direct catalyst. Here is our analytical view on Samsung from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung, Broadcom reached $200 billion RE memory chip deal manufacturing dive. HBM3 yield rates for AI training chips are the most critical near-term metric. Any positive update would drive a meaningful earnings upgrade cycle. The memory upcycle is intact, but Samsung's foundry losses are a drag. A recovery in smartphone DRAM pricing would add a second earnings lever. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is our spotlight on Samsung from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.